Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and today is a meal in less than 30 minutes. We have some mixed vegetables, some butter and garlic rice, and some delicious salmon. Yes, ready to eat in less than 30 minutes. We have the Uncle Ben's 90-second rice, butter and garlic. We have the mixed vegetables by Bird's Eye. Added a little bit of sugar, a little bit of squeezed margarine, and a few little special additives in here. And doesn't that salmon look amazing? Well, that's it for the show. This is a short, 1 minute or less.